Jordan, flip up back up to the top. I'm sure if we go to monthly.com and we look at it in like the mobile view, I'm sure it's going to look okay.
Yeah, let me do the inspect mode.
There we go.
So
Okay, cool.
we'll do iPhone 10 here.
Right. So all we're
We'll
doing here
hide
is
all the
looking at what does this site look like on a mobile phone? Because this is so important. And I encourage every single one of y'all out there, right? Go look at your own sales pages on a mobile phone. And I'm telling you, it's probably not going to look great. Okay. This looks good because monthly.com is a big company. I'm sure they took care of this for Casey, right? We're all set here. Man, it doesn't look that awesome though, does it?
I mean, it's great, but I feel like
Yeah,
SamCart could be
not
doing the
awesome.
same
Yeah.
exact thing.
It's not crazy awesome. Hit enroll now, Jordan.
Hit and
Let's
roll.
see what the enroll now section kind of looks like on this.
So
Interesting.
now
Let me see
enroll.
your
So
account here.
maybe because I'm still logged in,
Oh,
it
it's
takes me
probably
back
not
to
even
this
right.
checkout process. So
Yep.
I'm on a new page entirely. I'm on Casey/checkout now. So
Interesting.
I've
Yeah.
navigated away from the
Anyway,
landing
all
page.
of this to say, right, Jordan, let's hop back into SamCart. I just want to showcase that people can do this kind of stuff, right? So you guys can
Yep.
toggle from the desktop editor to the mobile editor and design two different pages, right? So let's go to the mobile editor and just see what doesn't look great. Like let's go ahead. We can probably make that text a little smaller.
Yeah, so I have it's like a sub headline, so you could say, let's do 22 or
Yeah.
maybe 18.
Yeah, all we're doing here is just making sure that the stuff on mobile devices looks awesome and looks super sick. So we can just keep scrolling down and you
Yep.
can edit stuff just in the mobile design, right? It's pretty freaking awesome. And making sure that you guys are capturing sales no matter what kind of device someone looks at, right? Because like I'm telling you, our stats show that 64% is the number right now. Just a hair under 64% of all traffic coming to SamCart pages is mobile. All right. So if your checkout process, if it's not easy to buy your stuff on a phone, right, then you are missing out in a major way. So again, Casey's got the whole team over at monthly.com to make sure his mobile stuff looks real good. But what about you guys, right? You guys should make sure that your stuff looks the same.